What's up, YouTube? Man, you know the best part about this hairstyle is just the emphasis. Check it. Say no to drugs. They have to get the point, right? Say no to drugs. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. This is gonna be one of the very rare one-off vlogs because I'm not gonna be vlogging for a moment. Let me tell you that, guys, straight up. I'm not gonna vlog for a while until I do my trip. I'm trying to save some money. Right now I have a package that I need to deliver. Here, of course, going to somebody. But I'm gonna have to ship that off tomorrow, so because I have to meet up with a subscriber. But enough of that, I'm gonna head there and I'll catch up with the subscriber. I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about a few things. Yo, from 19, how long am I supposed to meet them people there, you know? I meet them when they separate and now they're married.
Hi. Hi.
Dope chick.
Joakim and the sister-in-law.
Yeah, so we're there with Dope Chick and everybody. You see me, it's a mad little vibe, but like a quick get together because it's a long time we're supposed to meet up with her. And we're just there at Terrace Bar and Grill. So going easy back. I try to get used to this big old Canon camera, to be quite honest. So when I travel, I'll understand how to lug around with it. But right now, yeah, but upon that. Kind of feel nervous of vlog when I know I'm there around other people. No. It's weird.
Yeah, my color. So, mommy, I'm here with Stephen.
Hey, mom. How are you doing?
She at work.
Oh, she at work?
Yeah, but yeah, she can.
You know, man says a long time we're supposed to talk to you.
Yeah, a long time.
A long time. How is the weather over there?
How are you?
I'm doing good, you know. Doing good, it's just hot. It's well hot.
Oh, I'm so jealous right now. Don't say that.
Alright, so that video is gonna be just scattered and everywhere because really I didn't plan to make a vlog, but you don't know, I have to capture them, take a moment, so I get my say. So I was just talking to moms just now, maybe like 6-10 minutes or so. Really cool conversation. I love talking to my subscribers. That's one thing you guys like have to know. I love talking to subscribers. One thing though, because somebody called me like early in one morning and I was sleepy. Yeah. But that could be kind of rough into that, isn't it? So just send me a WhatsApp or Snapchat message and I'll always hit you guys up. And if you guys call or whatever, we good. My girlfriend's calling me or messaging me right now, so the wedding cake, is how old wedding cake?
7 months.
7 months. I'm a baby during that time. Alright, so it's a bit frozen still.
Dinner.
Eat them cake, I feel like I get married. It's good, who make it?
Miss Movery. She's in Ocheris, James Avenue. I think the place is Sheila's Homemade Pastries. Yeah.
Cool.
She did my mom and dad wedding cake, so it was a long time she in her business because this year they might be married for 25 years. They're gonna be 25 years. April the 2nd will be their 25th anniversary, and she did their wedding cake. So you know. Yeah, have to.
Alright, so I just got my iced coffee made with love. Trust me, hypnotic. Yeah. What is it? I don't remember what we made from order. There's an iced coffee.
Yeah, you put
with a condensed milk and little milk.
She mix it half and half.
I'll taste it and tell you how it tastes like. You understand? Yeah.
So when we use our burger bar for $9.95, we make it your own way with bacon, beef, anything you want, and it's good. We have chicken and beef.
Your own burger for $9.95?
Yes, and fries. Don't have fries extra though.
What are the options do? Like
beef and chicken and pickles, relish with that burger, cheese, all of that. All the nice things can come.
Can we do the burgers like medium rare and them something there too? Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
On Wednesday, every Wednesday.
Alright. So you know, we just have to take off the straw.
Yeah.
I said the straw actually really funny. But it's actually one of the paper straws them, so big up on yourself, Terrace. You get what I said?
Yeah.
We gotta deal with the environment wicked. No, good.
Wicked.
Okay, and the other one?
And SOAI vlogs.
Pardon?
Vlogs. VLOGS.
Okay.
I feel like a star.
put you on a fork, you know, using your hand. Well wicked. What kind of pasta is that? Chicken pasta?
Chicken Alfredo. And DJ have steamed fish fillet. He was expecting a big fish, a big bowl of fish with head and tail and everything. Oh God. So it goes, so it goes. I know it's gonna taste.
You know what fish do to people. Problem that, you know. You want me a bit? Alright, my food for...
You want more syrup? I'll bring some more for both of you.
Alright.
On the part.
Yep.
So this is gonna be my very first time having chicken and waffles. I've had them as separate individuals, but today we're gonna add them together. Tell me about it. What we're supposed to expect now?
It is just, I don't know if it's there, but when it bites and everything and all the flavor come together.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
Yeah.
Hey friend, I never saw you there. You're hungry? Yeah, come on in. Let's have some chicken and waffles. That'll be great. Alright, so far, outside look well crispy, but like the inside, it's tender. I like that. So before, Dope Chick that make little joke and chat about them around and try to catch chicken inside, because I take along. But the food was worth the wait. I'm not gonna lie. The food was really good. It's really good. Chicken, is it? Nice. It's soft. It's crispy. No man. How can I snap? Not snap. I'm gonna snap, right?
You know what you're talking?
It's a beautiful day. Let's try this with the waffles. The chicken and this waffles connection. We used to work at IHOP, you know. And we never tried this because it's kind of weird. Houston, we have liftoff. It makes sense. This solves my puzzle of life, you know, because enough night I say, I want breakfast, I want dinner. Breakfast, dinner. See ya? You win. Good man. So how's the fish, BJ? Good. One thing I can tell you guys about this place is like, go onto the Instagram, I'll drop everything in the description box. But what I say about guys about this place is like, their presentation of food is top notch. Their page makes you want to come here. Them always very modern and innovative. Not quite like full on Jamaican food, but there's a good infusion of everything. And this tastes exactly what you'd expect a chicken and waffle to taste like. The crispiness of the chicken it's ridiculously good. The products that they use, I don't know where they get them chicken from, but them chicken come from foreign. Because the chicken it don't feel tough. They get master, them chicken are not really exercise too much. They are very nice and fluffy, and I love that about this. Yo! I'm not gonna talk about it, but these people are cool. You know, my very first time, like, I talk to them for like, what's up? Oh my God! Yo, I can tell you this, guys. Them people can take my money anytime. It's my second time being here, and the food is great. Like anything you see on the picture them, it tastes exactly how it look. Customer service has been great. This has been fantastic. The girl that's been serving us has been very interactive, very kind, very sweet, and I really appreciate that about it. I'll definitely be coming back here another time whenever maybe it's in the night or there's more activity. Really test it, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's easy to serve just 24 people on a day, though. So otherwise though, the food has been great, right? School is doing good.
Yes.
And she's an American person. You understand? So she know what waffles supposed to taste like. it tastes good. So sorry guys, I didn't get to you know, do the whole outro video because I'm trying to rush back to get to work right now. But yo, it was a pleasure meeting with Dope Chick. You guys definitely check out her videos, her channel. You know, she's out there doing her thing. She's starting out. She's a little bit shy sometimes, but yo, go over there, give her the support, make her know, say, yo, you see me, YouTube is a great place and you guys are gonna be like awesome supporters. Yeah, she bought like 2 shirts for her and her mom. As I said, I was talking to her mom for a while. You see me, and the thing live, watch out, US live. So them people that really support me certain ways, and I really respect that about them. You get me? Either way, whether she buy a shirt or not, would have still made that link today. But it was great. Big up yourself, Dope Chick. I hope to see you again whenever you get here. And thank you guys for watching the video today. Remember to give the video a like and a subscribe if you haven't been doing that. And remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.